Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change accessibility reader default language in iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Once you click on that setting of your iPhone, you will comes in this page, and you have to do is click on accessibilities and go to read and speak, and then you can see over here in voices default language. Click on that, and then you have to do is select any of the language that you want to speak, or you want to your accessibility reader will speak. You can simply select it over from here, or you can choose it like current location over here or current locally over here. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos, and also subscribe my channel Scale Up. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.